Did you know that the concepts of percentages and fractions are all around us, in almost every aspect of our daily lives? From cooking to finance, science to statistics, percentages and fractions play a crucial role in making sense of the world of numbers. Welcome to our video on percentages and fractions. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who wants to improve their understanding of numbers, this video will provide a clear and concise introduction to two fundamental concepts that are used in many areas of life. In this video, we'll explore what percentages and fractions are, how they are related, and why they are important. So, let's get started. Let's start with fractions. A fraction represents a part of a whole. For example, 1/2 means 1 part of 2 equal parts, and 3/4 shows that there are 3 parts of 4 equal parts. Fractions can also be represented as decimals, where the numerator, top number, is divided by the denominator, bottom number. For instance, 1/2 is equal to 0.5, and 3/4 is equal to 0.75. Now, let's move on to percentages. A percentage is a fraction expressed as a portion of 100. For example, 50% means 50 parts out of 100, and 75% means 75 parts out of 100. To convert a fraction to a percentage, you need to multiply it by 100. For example, 1/2 is equal to 50%. So, why are percentages and fractions important? Well, they are used in many real-life situations, such as calculating discounts, taxes, and interest rates and market shares. Let's look into the examples of each. For instance, if a store offers a 20% discount on a $150 product, you convert 20 into decimal form and here you get 0.2 by dividing it by 100, which gets multiplied with the total price that is $150, and we get the discounted amount that is $30. In order to determine the discounted price, discount amount is subtracted from the original price, and here we get the discounted price, which is $120 after 20% off. Similarly, if you want to calculate the interest on a loan, you need to know the percentage rate and the principal amount. Let's say you borrow $1,000 at a 5% annual interest rate. The interest for 1 year would be $50, which is 5% of $1,000. Let's say you are purchasing a new laptop for $1,000 and the sales tax rate is 7.5%, which will be added in the price once you make the purchase. Now, in order to find how much amount will be charged in the name of sales tax, simply multiply the price, which is $1,000, into sales tax rate 7.5 and you will get $75,000. And then you divide it by 100. Bingo! You get the sales tax amount, which is $75. So, it means the total price charged will be $1,075 when you make the purchase. Let's move to another example. Let's say that there are 3 companies selling smartphones in a particular market segment: Apple, Samsung, and Xiaomi in the recent quarter, and their sales revenue data shows that Apple's market share is $10 million, followed by Samsung is $7 million, and Xiaomi holds $3 million, lowest market share compared with above 2. And let's assume that total market sales revenue, or we can say smartphone industry market share, is $20 million. Now, when looking at the numbers, you can easily tell that Apple has the largest market share, but we cannot how much of it holds in the industrial share, and it should be demonstrated in the form of percentage. In order to find the percentages, the market share of the companies are divided by industrial share, and the obtained decimal values are multiplied with 100, which gives us 50% for Apple, 35% for Samsung, and 15% for Xiaomi. I hope that this video has been useful in understanding how percentages and fractions are important concepts that are used in many everyday situations. By understanding them, you can save money, make better financial decisions, and have a better understanding of math. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.